Ha! It does work. Alright, so we're going to give it about another minute and start. I'm going to try and get as many episodes knocked out today so I can get a little ahead. So I'm not overextending myself. Now, the full VOD file will be dropped come next Monday just before I do my stream again. I need to try and get 6 days worth of streaming quality out. Excuse me. God, I forgot how hot it gets in here. Yeah, I have to turn off my fan, otherwise you guys hear it. And I forgot how hot it gets in this freaking room. Which is not conducive to any type of streaming or anything like that. I have a single pane window for a window. The walls are basically made of styrene. It's all a little weird. Okay, and we're coming up on time. Trying to get the timing set right so I don't mess this up when I cut this. Using my base as a guideline. Notes as a guideline. Hello, welcome back, YouTubes. As you know, we've ironed out a couple of issues in between episodes here. For those of you on the YouTubes, it's been a day. For everyone else, it's been 10 minutes, 15 minutes. So we actually got Vanilla Fishing Expanded put on there, so we're good to go. Adjusted the work on that so that Drac will actually fish along with Plant and all this other fun stuff, and he will take care of the animals, and we're going to build a barn over here. Celeste is currently asleep. Zen is over here starting to build stuff. I've got to put a tree cut farm. I already did that. So we're good to go. Right into super speed. He's over here repairing these sandstone walls. Figured, why waste my own material? Bamboo. I do need a bamboo farm. Awesome! Owlcats. That look like a multiple there. Oh my god. Talk about inflating my wealth right off the bat. Jesus Christ. Yeah, no, first animal trader. Those are all being sold. Fuck that. I am not dealing with that. Because these things are... No. Got him. 9 lives. They're literally nuzzle pets. They're useless nuzzle pets. But Zen... I have so many frickin' Owlcats. Alright, let's hope that I can, miscellaneous trading spot here. Heat stroke. Why are you repairing? Why aren't you set on repair? We're not even supposed to be on repair. Or construct. Either one of you. Oh, everything got shifted. Oh. I hate that, I hate that, I hate that. Firefight, patient, doctor's good. Okay. There, it's no longer shifted. Now they should be better. Speed zone. Okay, where was I? Oh yeah. Zone. Growing zone. Bamboo tree. Why are you meditating? Oh shit, hold on folks, I'll be right back. Sorry about that, folks. Got a minor family emergency going on right now. I'm gonna have to kill this early. We actually got enough content in this one to satisfy the time needs, but not necessarily the regular needs of a YouTube video. And this is a perfect example. If you listen, you can hear the rain, but you can't see it. That's a perfect example of that overlay kill. So I am gonna have to bump. overwrite Necron. And I'm going to go straight from here onto that. I will be back in approximately 2 to 3 hours, and I will stream again. I apologize. Minor family emergency. Something's happening. Gotta go. You all should understand how that goes. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in a couple of hours.